Want flat.
Got a little water leak.
Walk back up the hill down there.
Got a little water leak.
Two of them.
2 GoPros?
Two of them.
Oh. Shovel. Cable, internet, stuff like that.
Yeah.
You're not on fiber, are you? It's coax. I don't see fiber, all I see is coax. Unless you went in somewhere else. Let me look at the pole. We're good. If we break it, we can fix it easy.
Okay.
The fiber can't fix so easy. Hey Kev, turn the water back on. That didn't take long.
No. What, pulled it up, a root or something, pull it up? Put that in there real deep.
Well,
Keeping up.
yeah.
You didn't cut it though, did you?
So I snagged it. Make sure I didn't. I snagged it right there somewhere. See if we can probe and find some mud.
We're thinking maybe here.
Yeah, you should get in the mud. might back out just a little. Oh, right there's where I could hear that.
There's where I'm hitting maybe the line again.
Maybe. Oh yeah. It's starting to sound a little sloppy.
Well, it's hitting whatever it is, that's what it is. Maybe a nice rock, but must be a rock. I just thought I'd play that. But it did show up sound good though, didn't it? Move that rock better than get through there.
Like a piece of block or something. It's concrete. Looks like. We're beside of it or something. We're deep enough now. Let me go get the listening device.
Is it? He's found her, I think.
Yep.
Copper, ain't it?
I thought it was copper.
Should be coming out of the wall, yes. And then they should have transitioned to. Now, unless you just splurged and bought copper all the way.
I may have.
Let me listen right there, sweetheart.
This, ooh, look here, look right here.
Ah, it's
Look
back
right-
this way.
Look right there.
There we go.
Look right there, water coming in.
Okay.
It wasn't that way, it just now started.
Just now coming this way.
Yeah.
Bottom falls out of it right there. Watch this. It's gone. Right here.
Water, you brought water up there.
Right there. Right
You
here.
brought water up
I
right
think
there.
you're right in there.
Yeah, let me set up right here. Dig this way. Am I above it? Put your line going to your garage is plastic. So our tee's probably right there.
Let's see if you like that right there. Looks like that'll be decent one that fall anyway.
We need to open the outside spigot, bleed that mud out.
Okay.
That's what we need to do.
I can do that. I found it all.
Yeah, sure do, don't I? Now, I need one of Al's, maybe a couple of Al's bricks. Okay, dry dirt. Everything's in a vine. Maybe that'll give it some relief. Put some weight down on it there. See if it's not going to push. Of course, it's not going to be pushing down on that because the dirt's going to be the side of it. Can't pack mud. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
If you'll hold that, I'll put some dirt. Let's see, the coax. We need to bring that up till we. Here, we can pull a little bit of slack out of that right there. Here, lay that. Might catch it with something right here.
Get the shovel away, we stick it.
Yeah, that'll work.
Hold it like we did with.
Well, that way you always know
Stretch
where...
Armstrong.
Stretch Armstrong. You always know where it's at, and you know where your T comes off.
I'd already stood up there and figured out that it was that third brick from the wall, right in the middle of that third brick from the wall, about 5 feet
Now,
straight out there.
You'd have forgot that tonight.
No, got a memory like a steel trap.